guys, what is up? It is me, Pretty Crafty, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, but this is a giveaway, so please watch until the end of the video to see how you could get these for free, included shipping. I will 2-day ship these to the first person, and I will tell you how to get these and what all you have to do. Okay, so this is a template that I do have for my favor bags. As you can see, I put these together just using the Velcro stickers. You can see inside the bag, it is pretty deep. You could put little mini alcohol in here for to give to your guests, or you could fill it up with candies or chocolates, whichever you prefer. It's fine. It will hold it. So before I go into how I put these together, which is really quick and easy, is a lot of Cricut makers that do watch my videos. And yes, you can do a lot of my designs using the Cricut machine. However, Cricut does limit the print and cut size, and with these bags you do have to print and cut using a 12 by 12. That's why I'm Team Silhouette, not just because of the print and cut, but 100 other things. I feel like it does not limit you, if you get the drift. Okay, so for Silhouette, as long as you have a printer that could cut up to any size, you could print and cut on the Silhouette to whichever size your printer allows. For instance, my printer, I believe, prints up to 13 by 19, so therefore I could print and cut off the Silhouette using 13 by 19. These are 12 by 12. So if you do not have a Silhouette machine and you're using the Cricut, what you would have to do is use the scoring tool first and then print, or you could do, I would say you would have to score them yourself after you print this out. It will not print and cut, so I'm trying to think. I'm not really sure if that makes sense, but for my Silhouette users, use the 12 by 12, print and cut. Everything is already done for you. These bags are really cute. I just don't sell this template. I also sell the Versace, the Burberry, the Chanel, and the Gucci bags like this. And if you want to make your own images on these bags, all you do is have to click the clear box to remove this image within the Silhouette and just upload your image into this favor bag, which is pretty easy. Now, I do understand is a lot of new users that come to my channel. So if you would like me to show you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will show you how to remove this image and upload your own images. Just drop a comment below and make sure that you are subscribed. Okay, so let's get into how easy these bags are to put together. And they are really cute. They are really sturdy. I do use textured cardstock or linen heavy cardstock because it does make an image on your papers and on your overall favor bags. It stands out, the details. And also I do sell these on my site in sets of 10 if you would like to purchase them and not the template. But I also do sell the template, and that's below in the description area too. Okay, so I'm going to start. You could use your glider, double-sided tape, glue, or hot gun. It does not matter. This is the only piece that you would need to put adhesive to. Okay, so you're going to fold along all the lines, all the cut lines that's there for you. Just fold along them. And this is how I like to put this together. This is the first thing that I would do because it's easier for me to grab to make sure the box is more sturdier. So this is it, guys. Look, just grab that underneath to make sure that that tab is always inside the box. And then you just close right here along that line. Press down, and voila, there you go. That's how easy this template is to put together. And then I take the Velcro dots. Give me a second. Give me 1 second, guys. I take the Velcro dots, stick them together on top, and just press down, seal. Let me press this down. Of course it's sticking. Let me get another one. I'll put this on top of the sticker right here. Press it down. Still doing that, of course, because we're on video, and there you go. That's how easy. Now I'm going to do it one more time before I speed up the video and put these 10 together, because I do have to ship these today. And as I'm doing this, I would tell you, if you would like these in 10 sets, either the Versace, Gucci, or the LV, Louis Vuitton, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed, and the first person who leaves a comment, subscribes, and emails me their address, I will ship these to you for absolutely free using 2-day shipping. So you will have these by the weekend. And that's all you have to do. Now, all my videos, please make sure y'all are subscribed, because I will be doing giveaways to everything that I am showing you how I make, what I make. I will give it away. Yep. So look, that's all you have to do. Seal it. Sorry for being, you know, so quiet when I'm putting my stuff together, but I'm usually in go mode. Okay. So again, I'm just taking the Velcro pieces, each piece, sticking them on top of each other, and putting them together like so. Press that down. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video to put these together. But please, guys, make sure you subscribe to all my creators. If you would like to purchase these and sell them yourself, I do sell them in sets of 10. You can do the same thing. Make them and sell them as many as you want. You purchase the template, it's yours. I do sell the other templates in the Versace, which I will be showing at the end of this video, and the Gucci, the Burberry, and I believe Chanel. But I do sell all these templates. The description is below. Please don't forget to subscribe, because everything that I'm showing you that I make, the first person that leaves the comment and emails me their address and details, I will ship everything out. I will be doing giveaways to every video that I post. So thank you guys. I appreciate you all for watching. To all of my creators, keep creating, keep making money, believe in yourself, keep going. These are absolutely adorable. If you have any questions for me, please drop the comment below. I am happy to help you guys. I am here for you. I want us to see us all win. Thank you guys. Until next time, wait until the end of the video to see how everything came out, and you can see my other bags.